Good afternoon, everyone. It's Crystal. I hope everyone is doing well today. Today is Wednesday, December 23rd. It's 2 days before Christmas. FedEx just delivered this package for me. It's from the Missouri Star Quilt Company. One of the items in this box is the Horizon fabric. It's the Kona, K-O-N-A, the Kona color for 2021. So I am excited to open this package. So here we are. I bought everything that was offered by Missouri Star for Kona in the Horizon color. You see, it's a nice bright blue. This is a charm pack, 5-inch square piece of fabric. There are 42 pieces of fabric. They're all solid fabrics. I also ordered the roll-ups. These are 2.5-inch wide, and they're 40 pieces, and each piece is approximately 42 to 44 inches long. It's the width of the fabric. So I'm going to use this probably for binding. I have a quilt in mind that I'm going to make with this. This is yardage. It's still the same color. I bought 3 yards of the color of 2021. I am so over 2020 that when I saw that the 2021 color was a nice bright blue color, I bought everything they had. So these are 10-inch squares. There are 42 pieces in this pack, and these are all solid as well. Once again, the Kona color of 2021 Horizon. I also bought some a mini charm pack. There are 84 pieces in here. I bought this just to have these in my stash. I only have black ones right now. I made a quilt called, it's a tiny house quilt. I adapted it. I got the pattern from Missouri Star Quilt Company. I adapted it, and I didn't do all houses. I used my scan and cut. I cut out some trees. I cut out some grass. I'll show you a picture of that quilt. But I used most of my mini charm squares in that quilt. So I haven't replenished my mini charm squares since then. So I took this opportunity to do it with this order. I have these cute bookmarks. I don't have too many pattern books, but I thought this was cute to have in my creative space. So I ordered these. They're from BMI Bonnet. They're by Lori Holt. And they're 3, and they're plastic, and they're bigger than I expected. So that's good. This is a binding baby. This is taller than I expected. You put your quilt binding. I make my quilt binding by hand. So you would wrap it around. You put it in the slot and wrap it around. So which one is this? This is, what did it say? This is Ramona. And then they have some that are shorter, but I like the tall one. My binding is usually 2.5 inches, and then I fold it in half. So this is plenty of space, but I like the tall one. And then I bought 2 panels. My husband and I are house hunting right now, but so I can't use this in my current space because I don't have any more wall space. But this is a pattern that is it's the Lord's Prayer. So I'm not going to completely unfold it, but it's already, the words are already here. So I'm going to add some batting, probably add some some backing fabric that I wouldn't normally use, and just quilt it. And then I'm going to hang it up in our new house once we find our new house. So here is, I'm not going to completely unfold it, but this is it in half. And if you know the prayer, you know what this, you know what it is. And one reason I like this version is because in this prayer, I like this part. They're different. When there are different translations of the scripture, some people say, forget our debts. I like this one, forgive our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. I like this version the best. So when I saw it was on this panel, I bought this panel. And finally, my husband is a musician, among other things. So when I saw this panel, when we get our new place, he doesn't have any wall space either in his creative space. It says, life is a never-ending song. Play from your heart. Find freedom in the music. So this is a panel. I'm also going to quilt this, bind it, and give it to him for his new space once we find our next home. So that is it for today. I hope everyone is doing well. Part of this is my Christmas present to myself. The Kona color for 21 is definitely a Christmas present to myself because 2020 has been a rough year. So I'm happy to see it go. So this is everything. Once again, 3 yards, charm pack, 10-inch squares, roll-ups, Ramona, my binding baby, excuse me, my mini charm packs, my bookmarks, and my 2 panels. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you plan to buy the Horizon fabric, the color for 2021, and what you plan to do with it if you are going to buy it. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Happy crafting.